Apply a beer on your hair and you cannot believe the results. Every 2 days she takes a bottle of beer in his hair. When you know the reason, you want to do the same. Everyone wants beautiful hair, especially those that suffer from loss of hair. We have for you an advice to do faced with this problem. Currently there are different mixtures for hair treatment, ranging from fruits to drinks, and in this case we speak of beer, since thanks to the malt and hops, this protects and repairs the hair cells, leaving hair shiny and smooth. This woman pours beer in her hair while showering and her hair has become more abundant, healthy, and shiny. Maybe it sounds unattractive, because the beer has an unpleasant smell, but do not worry, your hair will not smell after rinsing. Beer should be used after applying shampoo. Benefits of washing the hair with beer. In addition to providing shine and softness to your hair, if you add lemon juice to beer, can function as a natural relaxer. Add egg and sunflower oil to get volume. Best of all is that it is not necessary to buy the most expensive beer. The cheapest beer they serve perfectly for this treatment. The most important thing is to follow the instructions below to take advantage perfectly with this product in your hair. First, apply it before beer shampoo to clean the dirt from your hair and do not remove the effect that is causing the beer. You can use conditioner after applying the beer. This is recommended so that the hair is softer and the smell of beer is removed. You can also mix beer with other products to increase profits, such as beer with styling cream, shampoo mixed with beer mixed with cider vinegar, and beer mixed with lemon juice. All these mixtures provide different benefits to our hair. Do not worry about the smell of beer. As the minutes pass, is going to evaporate, thus you will not notice the use of this product in your hair smell, only for the good results you get. Other tips: need more volume in your hair? Mix half cup of beer with sunflower oil and raw egg. Apply mask from roots to ends, and leave 15 minutes. Rinse your hair to be filled with life and volume. Keep everything under control, filling a spray bottle with flat beer. To leaves beer resting on a container for several hours. Spray it on your hair to fix, give volume and strength as you regularly spray, but without chemicals. For shiny hair, dip your head clear beer for half an hour and then rinse for a dazzling effect. Closes split ends and ends with split ends. Mix 2 tablespoons of vinegar with 2 tablespoons of beer and apply it at the ends for 10 minutes. You can also mix it with your conditioner.